YouTube, do not forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my daily streams. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alrighty. We're live. How is everyone? What is good? Yeah. That's funny. Where's everyone? Fair King, thank you for liking. How are we? Sorry, I did turn the light down a little bit because it is a bit bright. Okay, we're good. Hopefully we get a little rating the view, my G. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate that. I do like it. You get used to it, but, you know, I've been here for a while now, and, you know, people come here and they're like, oh, shit, dude, this is an amazing view. You know, you got the sunset and the city and everything, but I just get used to it. I literally just get used to it. Michelle, what is good? I haven't seen you for a while. What's been going on? No, the light is fine. It's your fair skin that keeps reflecting that light like 1,000 lumens. Sorry, mate. I can't help it. I can't help it. Bank rate for Japan came out and nothing really happened. Like, was to be expected. Oh, with the heart meat. Thank you very much. Welcome back to the team. Although, to me, you never left. Not much new. Fuck. A lot. Busy. When exactly did that? I'm trying to figure out what the reaction was to rate statement. 1:30 today. Yeah. So, it was probably around here. Just a whipsaw. Nothing. Sideways. No reason for Japan to change their rates, which I did say yesterday is not going to happen. Okay, what do we still need? What do we still need? Win one. Oh, fuck, I'm going to have to do that. Use cars for 5 minutes. I really do not want to. Get 10,000 minutes of views. We'll achieve that this week. We'll get that. 3,800 comments. Probably not. Live on 6 days, maybe, if I'm not hungover on Sunday. 750 minutes of views, yeah. Oh, go live for 750 minutes. How many hours is that? I can't be fucked doing the math. So, was it 750? Oh, yeah, no, we're not going to get that. Damn. Oh, well, 1 subscriber. Fuck. I'm not going to ask you guys for that. Where is everyone? What the fuck? What is happening? Maybe you got to take the hoodie off. Scaring people away. Maybe people will start rolling in now. But my hair's cooked. Nah, I'll do. Who gives a shit? I'm always pretty. Alrighty. So. Wow. Diego, thank you very much for following. I appreciate that a lot. How do I get into day trading? I'm a complete beginner and have no experience. That is completely okay, and you've come to the right place, believe it or not. Go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio, and I have a 1 hour free video that'll help you get started into trading. It's a bit slow and probably a little bit boring, but it'll get you a good start. And just come into the lives every day, learn some shit, ask questions. You can DM me on Discord, and I'm happy to talk to absolutely anyone. I talk to people literally all day. I've just been talking to people. So yeah, just let me know, and we'll go from there. Diego Alberto, thank you very much for following me. A pink monster in the evening, Fair King. Yeah, bro, it's gonna be a late night tonight, so you're not even licensed, man. Buffett doesn't like crypto, it produces nothing. That makes no sense. Yes, I don't have fuck, I can't even remember what they're called. Yes, I'm not financially licensed. That's why everything in here is for entertainment purposes only. And crypto, I don't even fucking trade crypto. And what does Warren Buffett have to do with anything? Like, what? Is this like a real account? I love doing this. Let's have a look. Oh. Okay. That's all good, man. If you don't want to be in here, it's really easy to just turn it off. Jesus. Anyway. Thanks, bro. I'll hit easy, brother. Easy. You up on Discord? Yeah, all night. All night. Duba Halaki. What up? Is this something someone can really invest in and beat the 9 to 5 cycle? I did. It's not easy, and the majority of people fail because they give up early, but I stuck with it for a very, 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 very long time. So yeah. What's good, chat? What up? Hi. Hello. Crypto's rat poison. I don't fucking trade crypto. Real. Shut up. Are you from the UK? Brisbane, Australia. Andrea's just read back. A pink monster. It sounded so wrong. Nah, it's all good. Yeah, got to caffeinate. Gonna be awake late. This is, so I get up like around midday. Go to bed at 6 a.m. So to me, this is, if somebody's waking up at 6 a.m., this is their midday. You know what I mean? Craig Bell, thank you very much for following me. Ooh, Lance, thank you very much for following. Lance, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Will this be a good side income? I'm looking not to leave my 9 to 5, but just make a little extra income for me. Yeah, and the way that I trade is customizable to kind of if you have a 9 to 5 and everything too. So you don't necessarily need to be on the charts 24/7. Just be able to monitor it. You can use higher time frames like the 4 hour or the daily or something like that. And that is what you would usually do if you have a 9 to 5. But I mean, I've got guys that have 9 to 5s that fucking, that trade low time frames. Just chillin'. Ham to you. I don't know what that means. Ro Beats, thank you very much for following me. How much tax do you pay when trading? A fair bit. That's why I hate Australia. What are you trading? Forex. So currency pairs. Look at my TikTok and I want to know, look at my TikTok, I want to know what your thoughts is. Alrighty. I probably can't. Okay, it's muted. My model works in every condition. I don't know what any of that means. Literally don't know what any of that means. I mean, use VWAP, which is good. I mean, I don't know. I don't usually trade with stop losses. So I don't know. But I mean, it looks alright. I don't see anything wrong with it. If it works for you, it works for you. Where are we? What do you trade on? MT4, MetaTrader 4. What pair are you trading? I trade 19 different pairs. Also Brisbane, really? What up? Yeah, okay. I work for myself at home, so just starting to look at trading. Good. It's working from home is like one of the best things you can do when trading, because you can just check the charts whenever. It's really good. And you can trade on lower time frames. I use the 1 hour M5 because I can look at my charts whenever the fuck I want. So that would be good for you as well. That'd be very good. And you get more entries, make more money. Dog Apple Art, thank you very much for following me. Do you ever trade in Super SMSF? No. Self-managed super fund. Fucking hell. No, I don't. I was thinking about it, but I don't think I do have access to that. It's order flow trading. I'm not one liker. Thank you very much. Yeah, I've had them running on 2 screens above my normal screen. Fantastic. Fantastic. Good job. Cyrus, thank you very much for following me. Do you prefer Forex or crypto trading and why? Forex, 1000%. So the thing with crypto, right, is there's no real regulation. Yes, institutions have started to kind of get on board and buy up and stuff, but there's no real, especially on the lower time frames, there's not really much market structure. And the other thing is what you need in a trading strategy is you need history, right? So you need to be able to go back in time and back test your strategy to see if it works previously. You can't back test like this because it just doesn't make any fucking sense, right? It's all just random rubbish, essentially. So higher time frame trading crypto is fantastic. You know, buying and holding, that's fantastic. People make a shitload of money off that. I will not deny it, but trying to trade lower time frame crypto is just a fucking graveyard. And Forex, you can go back 10, 20 years to be able to fucking backtest your strategy, which I've done. What is your bias towards what? What about futures versus Forex? I haven't really looked into futures ever, to be honest. I know there's a few advantages. I tend to, some of my trades end up being swing trades, so they can be there for a couple of months. So I don't even look at that. Birchop with the heart me. Thank you very much, Birchop. And the Go Popular. Thank you very much. I'm going popular. We don't have many viewers in just yet, but hopefully it picks up. Whoa! Jong P17, thank you very much for the heart me. I appreciate that. CJ Forex, thank you very much for following me. Better tax rules for futures, I guess. Is it? I don't even know. I literally don't even know. People say day trading is as good as gambling. True or false? Gambling is better if you don't know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, gambling's probably better. Yes, thank you, John. I appreciate it. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the team. But if you know what you're doing, trading, then it's way better than gambling. What is my bias towards what? I trade 19 different pairs. Half of them will be long, half of them will be short. How much experience and information does it take to get a positive return consistently? It depends on each person. So it took me almost 2 years to become consistent. I was demo trading for that entire 2 years. A year and a half was learning from absolute monkeys who had no idea what they were talking about. And then I eventually found a mentor who I learned a lot off, and within 6 months I was consistently profitable. So, but it depends. You could be stuck in that cycle for 5 years learning from rubbish people. So it does really depend on who you learn from and where you get your information from. What are the best apps for Forex except for MT4 or MT5? I don't like MT5 personally. I don't use it at all. I only use MT4. I used to use TradingView when I very first started, almost 5 years ago. They're the only two I would really even bother with, to be honest. TradingView's fine. There's nothing particularly wrong with it, besides if you want all the advanced shit, you got to pay for it. MT4 is free. So, yeah, it's just go for MT4 or TradingView. They're like the Nike and Adidas of trading. I hate it when I tell people I day trade and then they say I gamble. Yeah, well, to be fair, trading has a lot of gambling tendencies, especially if you don't particularly know what you're doing. So I don't really blame the people that say, oh, you're just gambling, blah, blah, blah. It's like, okay, to you, yeah, I can understand that, but it's not. For gold, I don't trade gold. I really don't trade gold. Like, so I got fucking no idea. We hit a double top, almost a triple top, coming back down. Like, all I can really do is just basic analysis, because I got fucking no clue. Because I don't trade gold, ever. Hi, Dane. Jesus. Sorry, John, I seriously, I don't trade gold. So, I don't know. I apologize, can't help you there. You think funded accounts are good for beginners? Fuck no. And how much do you think you could bring in a month? I think I do not promote prop firms for beginners at all. I think it's a terrible idea. It's 0.4%, I think, or 0.04% of people actually make it to the payout phase, and the majority of them are extremely good traders, or they get lucky. And people get lucky all the time with this sort of shit. So, I mean, you might get lucky, but you'll blow it, 100%. 100%. I know quite a few legit profitable traders, you know, people that aren't on the internet and all that shit, and they struggle with prop. So I don't think it's a good idea for beginners at all. It's a get rich quick scheme. The only reason prop firms make money is because where am I going with this? They only make money from people failing challenges. So they make the rules as difficult as possible, so as you can't use typical strategies in the first place. Secondly, they know that the majority of people aren't profitable anyway, so they already have an edge, and then they put all these strict rules in. It's almost impossible to consistently make profit from prop firms. Do you think most of the pros out there are trustworthy? Absolutely fucking not. Dude, from doing social media and shit, the amount of offers I've had for backdoor access, you know, statements, all this stuff, man, it's all smoke and mirrors. The majority of people out here are frauds. and just have backdoor access with brokers. I've had very, very, very reputable brokers, people reaching out to me and offering me stuff, but I'm just not going to do it because I'm not a piece of shit and the money's not worth it. I don't care. I think the hardest thing in trading at the moment is finding that person to trust. Absolutely, yeah. It's fucking, bro, there's nobody out here. There's no one out here. What do you trade? Forex, so currencies. And Dane, hello, again. Sorry if that question was offensive. It's a genuine thing. I hear a lot though. Bro, nothing, ask me whatever, I don't care. What type of trading do you do? ICT, fuck no. ICT's a fraud and sucks at trading. He sucks. The only concept that ever came out of ICT that is good is fair value gaps, but I was using fair value gaps before I even made them popular. They're originally called wide range bars, have been around since the 1990s. He just renamed them and just made up a bunch of concepts with a bunch of fucking abbreviations to make everyone fucking sound smart. He got exposed like 50 times. ICT's full of shit. The 3 friends I know that did day trading for 2 years each said it was gambling. That's why I asked. Oh, I mean, fair enough. As I said, there's gambling tendencies towards this sort of thing if you don't know what the fuck you're doing. If you don't have a systematic and algorithmic approach to this sort of thing, then it's gambling. What do you say about TGR strategy? I have no idea how he trades. Kobe, thank you very much for following. So T-Pool is really good trader? I have no idea. I have no idea. He's a good marketer. And he has backdoor access to prop. That's all I know. What would you suggest for beginners? Focus on education and use a demo account for as long as possible. Join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. And come talk to me. I talk to everyone for free. Bruh, how lucky am I? I was chatting away to a person I thought was you. Almost got scammed. Fuck. Bro, I'm so sorry. Like, yeah, you just got to be careful. Got to be speculative. I report every single account, but TikTok does nothing. So yeah, you just got to be speculative out there and try not to get scammed. But yeah, fuck. Sorry about that, man. That's all I can say. What does the red and green highlighting people place down? What? What does the red and green highlighting people place down mean? Please reword that or something. I came in you live onto your profile, went to message you, no previous messages between us. Fuck, sorry, bro. That's smart though, smart for checking. I'm a complete beginner. How do I make an account? Make an account on what? How much do you invest when starting? My first investment was 20 grand. But I was demo trading for 2 years. Bro, hi, what up? God, I love turtle soup. What the fuck? What do you trade then? Currency pairs. Crocodile Puncher. Thank you very much for following me. TGR trades ICT. Oh, well, there you go. He made all his money from crypto. He literally tells everybody that he made like his fortune from crypto. Bro, there's a fake page, Tom Trades 11. People beware. Yeah, I tried to look him up because people came in yesterday saying that account and they blocked me. So can't do anything about that. Caden Stab or Stab. Thank you very much for following me, okay? You're okay, bro. Not your fault. Yeah, I know. TGR hate ICT? I don't know. How hard and long is it to get into trading? Depends who you are. K-San, thank you very much for following me. It really depends on who you are. You could be... Like, there are people out there that can learn a language in 2 fucking weeks. There are people out there that no matter how hard they try, it's going to take them fucking 2 years to learn a language, you know? It just really depends on, I don't know, how good you are at learning, who you learn from, because the information out here is absolute garbage. So, I do have a breakdown of a timeline on my Trading for Beginners video that you can watch. It's free on YouTube. Just go to my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Join, watch the beginners video, and then come ask me some questions because you'll have some. No, like what strat? Oh, I use a version of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. Like a hybrid martingale with no stop losses. Whee! brutal honesty is refreshing, man. Thank you. I do get that. I get that like probably 3 times a week. Just people saying that it's refreshing just hearing the brutal honesty, because I don't give a fuck, right? I have a mentorship, right, which I don't like that I have in the first place because I'm charging people. I don't like fucking charging people, but my time costs money, right? I don't care about hard selling that or whatever. That's everybody's main income is from, because this is what happens, right? And I'm going to get unalived for saying this shit eventually, because a lot of people make a lot of money from this. It's them targeting the middle and lower class people for get-rich-quick schemes. Get-rich-quick schemes have been around forever. They used to be in the back of the fucking newspaper. You know what I mean? Like, they have been around for so fucking long. This is just what it is now. It's, oh, you can turn your $1,000 into $30,000 in 6 months. It's not gonna fucking happen. Might if you're gambling, but yeah. How's the profits been today? Pretty good. Did 0.5% today, 0.5% yesterday. We're sitting on 5% for the month. And, you know, we're about halfway through. So, yeah, we're good. My average is around 7.5% a month. So, we're at 5% already. I'll take it. Heard of Fabio Valentini? No, I have not. I have not. I'll look him up though. I'm always eager to see new faces. Fabio Valentini, was it? No, I've never heard of him. To be honest, I fucking try and stay away from any internet personality because they're all fucking rubbish. They're all rubbish. So, yeah. I have not, though. Have I seen this guy before? I think I have. User, thank you very much for following me. What should I look for on the chart when trading? There's a million different things. And it depends on your strategy. It depends how long you can be trading for. Like a day. Depends what time frame you're trading on. A million different things. A million different things. I use a specific strategy. But it depends on yours. I mean, yeah. Do you do a program? I have a mentorship program, yeah. So I prefer that not being, I don't want it to be just a course, right? I don't want it to just be content. So I do the one-on-ones with people. Like I sit here and, you know, face to face and actually talk to people and get the charts up and actually mentor people instead of, and it's cheap as fuck. It's $47 a month. It's about as cheap as it gets. But I'm sitting in front of my computer anyway. Why not fucking do that? What's my YouTube? It's Tom_trades1 with a Z. The links should be in my bio. And one dog, haha, okay. Dominic, thank you very much for following me. They used to be on TV commercials. Yeah, legit. Do you trade off 5-minute candle and 15? 5-minute for my lower time frame, like my entries. It's a simple entry. And then 1 hour for my highly time frame bias. I'm coming for the top spot likes. Let's have a look at the likes so far. How are we doing? Cyrus, 3K, Burn City Bullies, 1.7, Kobe or Kobe, 1.3, Fair King, 741, Kaysan, 500, Leon, 195, Khan, 90, Just Chillin', 61, Craig Bell, 19. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate it. It does help. Where's that trade I got into? You're in New Zealand. What the fuck? Get this off my screen. I'm happy with that. See what happens. Search up YouTube Andrea Simi. I will in a second. I will in a second. Just remind me if I forget. So 5% a month, that's a 5,000 a month. Yes. Do you think there's anything valid in the Robin Cup, or is that just to promote people? I don't even, I know it's like some trader fucking internet thing, but I've never ever looked into it. Literally never. And the other thing with these trading challenges and stuff, right? People aren't going to be probably trading a conventional and safe way. So I'm sure a lot of that comes down to luck as well. I was half a heartbeat away from signing up to the popular agencies, but my gut said no. Diego Sanchez, thank you very much for the rose. Thank you. I don't know what the popular agencies is. I actually don't. What is it? Gonna join the program. Love your content. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And if you do jump in, I will probably send you a message and just say welcome and everything. And if you want to jump in a call or whatever, we'll do that ASAP. You're awesome. 5 you're awesomes. Look at the fucking gifts. Look at the gifts. Thank you very much. Diego Sanchez. I appreciate that. You're awesome. Holy fuck. What the fuck? Are we all seeing this shit? What the fuck? All right, let me read them out. No more. You don't have to send gifts or anything, but I seriously appreciate it because it promotes this shit, so I appreciate it. So we got 2 roses, 6 you're awesomes, a rose, GG, TikTok, you're awesome, love you so much, rose, GG, TikTok, and you're awesome. Bro, thank you so much for all of that. And another, oh my fucking God, Jesus. Okay, I'll come back to that in a second. I don't want to fall too behind. But yeah, user, send me a message. Let me know what your TikTok name is as well, if you join. For the beginning trader, what mentors you prefer? Me. The problem is everyone's mentorships are so fucking expensive. They're so fucking expensive. Holy fuck. Okay, I gotta read these. Jesus, I think we were here. Bro, spamming the gifts. Spamming the gifts. You don't have to. Stop it! What the fuck? Alright, Diego. You're awesome. Rose, GG, TikTok. Love you so much. Ice cream cone, heart puff. You're awesome. Rose, GG, TikTok. Love you so much. Ice cream cone, heart puff. You're awesome. You're awesome times 5. You're awesome. Rose, GG, TikTok. Love you so much. Ice cream cone, heart puff. Holy fuck. Holy shit. And another you're awesome. Rose, GG, GG, TikTok. Love you so much. Fuck, I can't keep up. That's actually fucking insane. What the actual fuck? Are we looking at this shit? Bro's going insane. I'll have to come back to that because that's just fucking absolutely crazy. I don't even know how you do that. Anyway, for a beginner trader, yeah, probably me. It's the only person that I trust. It's myself. Bro, holy fucking shit. What the fuck? Matty! Turbo Tuesday, going into the abyss. Abso-fucking-lutely. I had a proper Turbo Tuesday today. It was just flat out. It's fucking 7:30 already. Bro, half my day was spent on the phone. I was on the phone for like 3 hours with different people today. Like, a fucking flying by. But absolutely, Wednesday's tomorrow. We got the rest of the week. Let's fucking go. What percentage gains do you aim for weekly? Weekly doesn't really matter. I go for monthly. And my monthly 7.5% is my average, so I'd happy to get that or above. But as long as I'm in the green, doesn't really matter. Pretty sure I've joined a fraud. He teaches continuations and reverse fair value gaps. That's not good. I mean, I don't know. A lot of methods work, but I don't know. If you think he's a fraud, he probably is. Euro card dropping down like crazy, up 300. Euro odd. I got out of Euro odd last night, I'm pretty sure. Is it dropping like crazy? It's not that big. Nice move, but... And then we just had news come out. So... German news, so... Probably push it up a tiny bit, but... Is... YouTube under... Oh yeah, fuck, sorry.
I would like to know, Patrick, what?
Yeah, no, this guy's, I actually discovered this guy last night. And he actually seems like he knows what he's talking about. One of the few. But I only watched like a couple of reels or some shit, but from the 2 or 3 minutes that I saw, I was like, oh, this guy actually knows what the fuck he's talking about, unlike fucking everyone else. So, is... You and Oz? Yeah, Brizzy. Ginger Lindsay, thank you very much for following me. R. Adams, thank you very much for following me. User, Blair, and me. And Duke. Thank you guys very much for following me. I appreciate it a lot. Heard of Bernard Scoot? Nah. Can I fill your... Let me fill your fair value gap. Sometimes TikTok love is like trading. You never know what you're gonna get. TikTok live is like trading. Yeah. Yeah. We're on the cusp of World War III. If you think you're gonna profit in this volatility, volatility is good. You just gotta make sure, like, I'm not in any Swiss or yen pairs, which is where a lot of the large volatility will probably come if we enter something like World War III. So, don't bother me. Why are you streaming outside? Aren't you cold? The fuck? Is this live? Yes, it is, Duke. Should I start day trading? Absolutely, Curtis. Why not? Or some of his viz when you get the chance. Yeah, I will. I'll look. Anybody interested in bit? Oh, bro. This person keeps coming in here. Curtis, thank you very much for following me. I'm so annoyed. The shit that TikTok gave me is so annoying. Like, to get my coin thingies, to get flares. So I don't know if you know how this shit works, but if you do these things that TikTok asks you to, you get flares. And the higher tier the flare, the more they just like promote your shit. And the shit that it gave me is ridiculous. So my daily is 2,400 minutes of views, which I might not hit. Reach 1 subscriber. Probably not going to get that. Go live for 750 minutes this week. I'm not going to get that. Go live on 6 days. I might get that if I'm not hungover on Sunday. 3,800 comments. I'll probably get that. 10,000 minutes of views. We'll get that. But I don't want to use co-host or win a live match. I don't want to do live matches. I don't like talking to random people. Was that Monster? Absolutely. They only had the pink ones downstairs. So I had to get a 4-pack of the pink ones. Whatever. They're alright. I don't mind these ones. Haven't even properly started learning a strategy. Already feel like I'm going to explode. So much bull information. Yeah. Well, that's what doing this shit kind of is. It drills your fucking head. Anyways, holy shit. Sorry, I forgot to react to all of these fucking GIFs. I don't even know where to start. I actually don't even know where to start. I'm just going to say thank you for all the TikToks, ice cream cones, fucking GGs, bro, absolutely insane. I'm so appreciative for that, Diego, like, so appreciative. Thank you very, very, very much. Really appreciative. supports the stream, you know? Supports me coming here. I mean, I do this for free. Besides, you know, the gifts or whatever, I do the TikTok lives for free. So yeah, I appreciate it a lot. M1 Dog, did you pay for some course or some shit? Adam, thank you very much for following me. How do you get this TikTok live flare thing up and challenges? So I don't know, just when you're live, like it gives you the, I don't know what this creator can, I don't really know. I don't like, I'm new to all this shit. So it just gives you these tasks to do, and then they give you these little diamonds, and then the amount of diamonds you collect gives you, so there's tier 1 flare, a limited theme, tier 1 flares, and then it goes to tier 2s, and then tier 3s. So tier 1s, tier 2s, and tier 3s give you more and more exposures, and then you get a subscription present, which I got, but they didn't fucking let me have it because I didn't have the requirements or some shit. And then as soon as it expired, they just randomly allowed me to have a subscription thing. So now I have a subscription thing. I don't fucking know. And then that's one of the goals, is get a subscriber. I don't want you guys to pay for just a TikTok subscription. What the fuck? The champ is here. Yes, sir. Best one other than the white one. Oh yeah, dude, I'm a sucker for white monsters. Actually, have you tried, if you have Aldi, bro, Aldi have white. I prefer Flying Powers over anything else. It's the Aldi energy drinks. And they've made a copy of White Monster, but in Flying Powers, and they're so good. What up, Sienna? How are you? I feel like FTMO fakes its top payout traders. Probably. Why wouldn't you? Is your fingers sore? Mine is. Fuck, you guys smashing the like button. Fucking hell. You guys going crazy. Oh, that's why you were saying the champ is here. Good job, thank you. Bro, I've got a screenshot. The top liker ever had 30,000. Like, holy shit. Adam, again, thank you very much for following me. Yes, Salman Nasiri course. Can you do a quick overall of him? Oh, dude. I mean... already it's kind of like... Hold on, let me fucking... Yeah, it's not looking good, brother. Like, what do you expect? I don't know. I don't know anything about him. But you just kind of look at those sorts of people and just kind of fucking... Fuck, he'd be making... Holy shit, he'd be making a lot of money from this. That's where he'd be making all his money from WAP. He wouldn't be making it from fucking trading. I can almost guarantee that. $523 people at $100 a month. It's That's where his money comes from. Where are you from? Brisbane. But I mean, I can't, like, there's only so much that I can say because I don't actually fucking know. I got no idea who this fucking guy is. Jua or Hua or Ju, I don't know how to pronounce your name, but thank you very much for the rose. Thank you very, very, very much. But all I can just say is just be skeptical about everyone. Julios 96, thank you very much for following. Correct, yeah. Daisy, thank you very much for following. Levi and Ox 007, thank you very much for following as well. If that's the case, can you stream a bit longer? Yeah. I'll be on for another like hour and a half maybe. I say Trading Pool has more credibility than him. Well, I mean, you'd want to hope so. Trading Pool has a cult following of people. I honestly, I don't believe anyone that promotes prop firms. I just don't, unfortunately. Because props just pretty much a get rich quick scheme. You can make, I mean, I'm funded, but I don't promote it ever because beginner traders, the majority of everybody that comes in here are beginners. And you're just going to lose your money on prop, and that's what I am trying to. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is just entertainment. This isn't, I'm just joking when I say this, but I am trying to help you preserve and make money for entertainment, just entertainment and shit, you know? Not make you guys pay for fucking challenges where you're most likely going to fail. How was your day, Tom? It was good. It was good. It was very, very fucking busy. Very busy. How was yours, Sienna? Are we looking at longs or shorts on what? Ninja? Steve, thank you. Levi, Ox again. Thank you guys very much. Where you at in Oz? Brizzy. Damn, should have known he doesn't even live trade 500 members. X $200 per month. He doesn't live trade? The fuck? Bro, I don't care. You guys can look at my trades whenever the fuck you want. I'm in this right now. I'm in one that I've been stuck in for fucking ages, but it doesn't fucking matter. I don't care. Like, this is just trading. I'm stuck in this, but I've also been making money while I'm stuck in this one, waiting for it to do something because we're just stuck here. I don't care. Go up or down so I can scale in a little bit more. I don't give a shit which way it goes. It doesn't matter. I just need it to move. This sucks when I get in two positions and then I'm just stuck sideways. It's like fucking, I need some movement either down more so I can get another position waiting for a pullback or just to go up and hit TP. Fucking annoying, but it's alright. Every other pair's running and making money, so who gives a shit? Just stuck. Can you give analysis tutorial on EC, eating cat? I don't even know what that is. Is that like some pump.fun fucking shit? The fuck? What are you trading on? MT4. I'm trading a cooked owl and a mantis. What? What are you playing, Ark? What time do you teach day trading and how much cash do you think to start off with? What time do you teach day trading? I can teach whenever. If you're in the mentorship, just hit me up. As long as I'm awake, I'll be there to fucking teach you. How much cash do you think to start with? It's subjective, bro. It's subjective. The more the better, because we're focusing on percentage gains of your account size, which we want to be around 3 to 10% per month. So if you're only doing that with $1,000, you're making what, $30 to $100? If you're doing that with $10,000, you're making $300 to $1,000. Keep going, you know? Is this Forex or crypto? Forex, what strategy do you recommend learning to trade? My strategy, dollar cost averaging, mean inversion of martingale. Could you give us analysis? Oh, bro, I don't know what that is. Just in M private. Thank you very much for following me. Alex Condor and Slash. Thank you very much for following me too. I appreciate that. My day was boring in 5th period today. I had to read for the whole period and that was boring. Oh, fuck that. That sounds horrible. Not gonna lie. Might just self-teach. You can. It's gonna be difficult, but you can. You pay $100 a month for that shit? Fuck that. What trading platform should you use? MT4. I'm close to liquidation. Should I hold or get out? Lost about 90% of my account already. Jesus Christ. Probably get out? I don't know. What the fuck? How'd you end up there? Hi, bro. What up? El Riz. What's going on? Pullback might be at 33.60. Is that like gold? I don't trade gold, so I don't know. How would one start this trading buzz, bro? I'm pretty keen to learn. Join my Discord. Discord's linked in my bio. Watch the 1 hour free video. Free Discord. And then come ask me some questions. Do the Baby Pips course. There's a course. It's going to take a fucking long time, but you can scan through it if you want to free and self-educate, I guess. But there's just a lot of shit that you don't need to know. What do you mean you're stuck, but it's still making money? Well, I trade 19 different pairs currently and concurrently. So just because one is stuck going sideways doesn't mean every other pair isn't getting into positions and making me money. Just because I'm in drawdown like fucking 0.5%, 1% on one pair doesn't mean all the other ones aren't making money. What strategy? I said that. How can I get this app? Download it. Look up MT4. Could you just use props to fund lives? Yeah, but to get, like, to pass prop challenges and shit like that, my recommendation is once you become a profitable trader, that's when you start to fuck around with prop, right? So you can, and this is what I've done in the past, is I use some of my monthly profits to go on a prop and have a fuck around. Because that's kind of what you got to treat prop like, is kind of like a fuck around and just try and get the most high probability trade you possibly can with extremely high risk to try and pass. And then once you pass, drop your risk all the way down and try and stay in for as long as possible until they fucking kick you out, essentially. Or you just blow the account. Just what happens. Is Bybit good? No idea. You seen my determination on likes in Graham's live, so let's agree I will beat the top likes. Yeah, I did. I had to jump off though. I was only in there for like fucking 5 or 10 minutes. Speedy, what's good? Star fucking mentorship trader, this guy. Fucking killing it. What the fuck happened to music? Hello? If you have questions about the mentorship, ask this fucking guy. M1 dog followed. Thank you very much. It was 50 minutes of silence and reading. Ugh, that sucks. Genuine question though, what is the Minu? What? Minu? I don't know. What should I invest in? I have 10K to spend. Education. Educate yourself on a lucrative skill and then use the $10,000 to make more money from that $10,000. But focus on educating yourself on something first. Doesn't need to be trading, be fucking anything. Or a specific sector in trading, just educate yourself. Thoughts on Jason Greystone? I've seen one video of his before a long time ago, but I don't particularly know. I don't know. He seems like he's doing alright, but yeah, I'm not too sure. I'd have to go through it completely, but I've seen some shit. Holy fuck. Oh, I gotta flick through. I'm in longs on NASDAQ. Nice. What trading app should Aussies use? Always MT4 and black bull markets. Black bull markets 100% for Aussies. I'm so confused. I have more followers and go live, but don't have that creator camp. I don't even know what creator camp is. This thing? Dude, I don't fucking know. I have no idea. I'm not... Bro, I don't even... Man, yeah, I got no idea. I got too much shit in my brain to even know what the fuck's going on with the live streams. I just remember setting it all up was an absolute bitch to do, but I got it done. Make a trade. I'm in trades. I don't scalp, so for the fried brain traders, like the people that need constant fucking scalping, you're in the wrong place. God. What did I get out of it? I was in... Yeah, Euro odd. In and out last night. I got out of Euro odd. Around about here. In profit. Tick. Done. And then got in again. Long. Take profit. Tick. Done. Double profit. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. Maddie, surely you already follow me. And Henry, thank you very much for following me. And Mrs. L, thank you very much for following me as well. Fuck, sorry I'm a bit sniffly. My nose is playing up. Make a trade. I'm currently trading gold. Nice. What pairs do you trade? I trade 19 different pairs. All like the majors. What's a decent amount to start with? 2K enough? 2K is plenty, yeah. There's a Lambo downstairs. Not a Lambo money just yet, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Sorry, let's start this again. What's the minimum cash you recommend to start trading at? My recommendation would be a couple of grand, but you can start with less. Roger, bro, top man. Me? Thank you. I appreciate that. What do you think of apps like Raise and Sharesies? I have no idea. Rise? I don't know. Never heard of it. What's the announcement? Holy fuck! Resented Spider? With the fucking racing helmet? Bro. Thank you so much. I do really appreciate that. Holy fuck. That was so loud. Sorry if that deafened absolutely everyone. What the actual fuck? Bro, thank you so much. Holy shit. Bro, really appreciate it. And I saw myself. I look pretty cool with the fucking helmet on and everything. Maybe I should start fucking riding again. What type of content should I do on my TikTok? Like, I want to grow, don't want to show my face though, or live. Bro, I'm terrible with content. My content sucks. I don't fucking know. Mark Bruce. 500. I can teach you how. I do trade Bitcoin. Do I get rid of this guy or what? Do we just let him go? He's obviously a scammer and I don't want people to get scammed, so... Made 47... Okay, this guy says he made $47,000 today, but his withdrawal processing was 500 USDT. And that was 12 hours ago. Come on, brother. Come on. Don't fall for that shit, guys. Don't fall for it. Bro, Resented Spider, again, thank you so much. Piss him off. Get him out of here. Get him out. Get him the fuck out. The crypto and trading affect the market because of... The crypto and trading affect the market because of Israel. It's being affected, yes. If that's what you're asking. What's the best platform to start trading on? MT4. That's funny. Gold star for you, sir. Oh, that's fucking funny. Hear it in you. Get him out. Crypto trading effect. Yes. I don't know. Trade would be nice. It's full of shit. Come on. If you don't ride bikes, do you suit the helmet? If you don't ride bikes, do. I used to, and then... Hold up. Again? Are you fucking serious? Again? Brother, you don't need to do that. Holy shit. Brother, I appreciate that so much. Like, I really do. It supports it. Supports the stream a lot. So thank you so much. Like, actually, thank you so much. I'll show you why I stopped writing. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Probably not. Wait, which way do I put my wrist? I don't know if you can see that big scar on my fucking arm here. But I snapped my arm 3 places and shattered it on a bike. So hung the helmet up. Yeah. So, yeah. Bro, thank you so much for the fucking helmet. Jesus. It's fucking absolutely insane. For real. Thoughts on T-Pool? I don't know. He's a good marketer. Piss him off, lol. Yeah, get rid of him. Get rid of him! Do you trade TikTok? What? Thoughts on what one piece should be? I don't know what? Thoughts on what the one piece should be? I don't know what you're talking about. It's trading full time. Yeah. Has been for a fucking while now. Yeah, Innate Lidge. Thank you very much for following me. Wait, do you actually trade crypto and meme coins? Me, no. I have a little bit of crypto. And I have done the whole pump.fun, in the trenches, deck screener, all that shit. When I was bored, before I started all this shit, bro, like, gets boring sitting here doing nothing. You know, if there's no trades on or whatever, but I gotta fucking keep on top of it. And so I had to fuck around, took a bunch of money out, put it in fucking pump.fun, you lost it all. I made a bit actually at one point, but it was, I left something in a coin, it went fucking skyrocketed, and then when I woke up, it was at like 0. I was like, oh, fuck. But yeah. How do you not trade with emotion? You get used to it. You just get used to it after a while. What do you think? What do I think about what? Sorry? Jason? Do you do this full time? Yep. Good evening, Quirky Trader. Good evening, Neo. How much does the helmet give you in cash? Maybe like $2 maybe? 3? I'm not too sure, to be honest. I'm not too sure. RC187. Using an EA. Join VIP and see for yourself. Thank you, Speedy. Thank you. Thanks for welcoming Tony into the mentorship too. I saw that. That made me smile, bro. I woke up to that. Checked my phone and I was like, oh, bro, what a fucking good bloke. And then I was like, fuck, how can I like give you like more permissions or some shit? But I don't even know. Because you deserve it. Did you just have a bump? Yeah, I mean, you're right, actually, Speedy. I should have mentioned that too. I use a Expert Advisor, which is a trading bot that I've developed to get me in and out of trades. And it does take away a lot of the emotions. Instead of having to try and time this right here, you know, oh, where's the bottom pip? When do I get in? And then, oh, it's come up here. Oh, it's coming back down, but I might not get. And then I missed my entry. And then it comes back up and you just let it do the work for you, you know? Obviously you got to adjust and keep on top of macro and everything, macroeconomics. Do you trade crypto right now? No, I don't. Is it a high success rate? Yes. How much do you make a year? Depends on the year. Come on, show the Bugatti. Oh, I can show my old one. It's the old one, old jet and everything. Fucking pieces of shit, you know, they're old rubbish. Just an old Volkswagen, really. Nothing special. Oh, is it a high success rate? Yeah. Well, the success rate, like the win rate changes all the time. And I explain this a lot. So for people, D-Light Painters and Decor and Jamie G. Shut the fuck up. Why doesn't everyone do this if it pays a lot of money? Because the majority of people don't have time and patience. Why doesn't everyone start a fucking an IT tech business or a fucking cybersecurity business? There's shitloads of money in that. Why doesn't everyone do it? People just are lazy. Can't be fucked. And it's not easy. Like, it's not, you need to learn a lot of shit. It's not as easy as it's just press buy and sell. You got a Bugatti? Nah. Because it's really, really hard. Yeah, swing trading is the best, which is kind of what I'm in between day and swing. Just joking. Right, swing trading is like probably the best. What the fuck was I doing? Oh yeah, I was gonna run back test. Scalping. Fuck no. Bro. Seriously, the amount of people that can be successful scalping, like real successful scalpers, it's this teeny tiny little fucking percent. This teeny tiny, out of all the traders, it is like virtually no one that can actually successfully scalp consistently. It's very hard. People stop asking his personal income. I work in an industry which people earn a lot less than me. I work in an industry where people earn a lot less than me. Yeah, I don't say how much I make ever. Why the fuck would I do that? any like legit, like if you ask like any smart individual about how much money they make, anyone that's smart, they'd never fucking say it. It's always the people that are full of shit that are like, oh, I make this much, I make this much, I make this much. If anything, all the smart people should be saying, I don't make anything. I just don't say it. I don't make anything. I make $0. Like, easy brain. Bro, this is popping off hard. What the fuck? Yeah. Good shit. Thank you, Bryce. Yeah, we got a few people in here. And we, you know, it's getting better. Are you in Whoop Whoop already? So what does it matter? Just be smart. Yeah. Why is that? Why is what? Sorry? Yeah, the Fabio guy is going from scalping to swinging because of time on charts. It's probably, I mean, time on charts, yes, and unreliability. It's fucking literally so unreliable. What do you think about gold? I don't trade gold at all. I apologize. What do you think is going to happen tomorrow after the Powell talk? Probably not much, to be honest. He is getting pressured to drop interest rates, but he won't. There is no logical reasoning for him to drop interest rates. Obviously, he'll talk in the statement, in the press conference, what actually happens, what he gets asked. Who knows? No idea. But I'm sure there will be some chat about Trump pressuring to drop interest rates. Trump's trying to drop them to 3.5% on the trot, right? He's just trying to go straight to 3.5%, which has never been done. They've never dropped interest rates by 1% in a time, ever. So, and I don't see it happening, and Powell's not an idiot, so he's not going to do that. But yeah, so who knows? Interest rates won't change. Day 2 of unemployment, 0 trades, we move. We move. Are you actually unemployed? Wait, what happened? I remember you, but I can't fucking remember what's going on. Sorry, TikTok restricts character limits and I tend to back it up with firm. Oh, right. Can I buy my Porsche in 5 years from trading? I mean, I'm not going to say yes or no. I don't know. Wizard Lizard 69. Thank you very much for following me. Ningen. Check it out. 8 degrees. All right, let's have a look. Oh, dear. Oh my God. Fucking hell. Bro, that's a hike and a half. Jesus. This guy's my IRL friend. Well, the same. What? Why is the percentage of people that are successful scalpers low? Because it's extremely difficult and you can't time the market. It's impossible to time the market consistently because no one knows what the fuck, how the fuck, this is what so many people get wrong, right? How the fuck are you meant to know? So a lot of scalpers are on the 1 minute chart, which is just psychotic. How the fuck are you meant to know the algorithm of high frequency trading algorithms that fucking hedge funds use that are going to drive the price? How the fuck do you know what books, what orders that hedge funds, pension funds, banks have that they need to fill? You just got no idea. You got absolutely fucking no idea. So it is so unreliable to sit here and try and time your scalps with a fucking stop loss. It's fucking... The amount of people that can genuinely time that shit are fucking so small. So small. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to catch up. Are you trading futures contracts? No. CFDs. Is it better to simplify trading instead of bringing a bunch of strategies and stuff? Absolutely, yeah. Absolutely. You need to know the one thing that you should probably know and learn that no one learns is macroeconomics. It's like one of the most, this is why the market moves in big waves, right? You need to know where the fuck the market's going to go, and that is driven by macro. So as long as you've got macroeconomics down and a strategy that is somewhat backed off of macroeconomics, you'll be just fine. Which currency do you trade mostly? Oh, I don't know what the top one is at the moment. I wouldn't have a clue. Yeah, I left my job on Friday for more time on the chart so I can do both sessions, but GJ, GU, and UJ all been not giving me ideal setups. Yeah. I mean, it depends on your strategy, really. GJ, GU? Yeah, I don't think I've been in any fucking GU either. Maybe one, like a week ago, but yeah. Recently, we've been sitting kind of flat on them, which is okay. Patient, just be patient. Chinese letters, thank you very much for following me. If that's not Chinese, I apologize. Yeah, dude, sick. That's because I just passed my 3rd challenge account. Now I have 2 master accounts and 1 funded. Good job. Did your other message come through? Oh, wait. Oh, right. Yeah. And just started really stay on 5 min and look at price action. 5 minutes, okay. It's better. But how long have you been trading for, Sean? Order flow. Yeah. Well, CME gap is one indicator. Jump in, jump out on NQ only. Well, I mean, I scalped indices, right? You could call it scalping. I was usually in like open. It's not that hard to scalp market open, right? It's quite easy if you have a decent strategy. But most people's psychology just ruin them scalping, to be honest. But it's not that difficult. It's just very time consuming, I guess, scalping market open. And I mean, a lot of people can't do it either. But yeah, you can. I mean, you can. There's nothing wrong with that. If it works for you, that's fine. I heard there was a lot of volatility in NQ. Yeah, I mean, not right now. It's a bit of a fucking mess, but usually, yeah. How do you learn trading? Oh, dude. Mentorships, courses. I did the Baby Pips course, the entire Baby Pips course. And it was all basically useless until I found my final mentor. A year and a half in. Well, I've been trading on multi-time frames on wealth charts. But I use wealth charts. True. Nice. Isn't that why we all have our own specific set of process to target those liquidity zones? Yeah. Well, what do you mean by that? I'm kind of confused. Liquidity zones. How are you meant to know where the liquidity is? You can kind of guess that there's going to be stops and limit orders and stuff like that, but which is what you'll probably see with stuff like this, liquidity. But again, if there's macro that drove this down, that's what it is. It's not fucking liquidity. So, and I execute in 1 or 2 minutes, although I do analysis on 5-15 hour a day. That's way too, in my opinion, that's a bit too many, like 5-15 hour and daily, and you execute on 1 or 2 minutes? God, that would scramble my brain doing that, but if it works, it works. 1 or 2 good trades a week is all it takes. Yeah, and just sell it, trust me. I don't know what you're talking about. A+ setups. Fuck, what do you used to trade? What did I used to trade? I've always traded Forex. Pig, something. Oh, that is, oh, right. Use higher time frames for confluence and take trades accordingly. Well, that's what I do, but yeah. Too many is a bit cooked. 4 hour and 1 hour, I'll have a look at. ICT is just so good. How do we block this guy? How do we get rid of this guy? I'm kidding. Mods, don't do that. Like 4 hour on GU, it could go either way, so bias in fully running out for and against. Fair enough. 3 months. Oh, okay. So quite new. Long way to go. So I didn't hear everything you had to say there. I agree with what you're saying about scalping. Cool. Exactly. I have a large tool set in wealth charts as well, which help with a lot of entry stops. Nice. Thoughts on going to Israel and getting pre-market news and full body. Bro, my mate sent me a video of like Israel and shit and being like, oh, fuck that. And I was like, bro, let's go. Cheap holiday. Hey from Israel. Jesus. I think oil trade is not that interesting at this point. Fair enough. Don't worry about it. Followed. Thank you very much. Do you have a course? I have a mentorship program. I don't really like, there's course material, like there's video content, but I prefer to be more one-on-one instead of just giving you guys PDF or a bunch of videos and just being like, hey, have fun. Give me your fucking $2,000 and goodbye. So yeah, it's $47 a month and it's more one-on-one. I don't want many people in there. Only serious people who are serious about it. I was close to blowing my last account because I took a revenge trade, bumped 5 lots. Jesus. Yeah. You'll get used to not revenge trading, and you will probably fucking blow your account by doing it at some point, and then you'll learn. Can I get some news when the next rockets come flying? My theory is if people are profitable traders, there's no need to have paid courses. That's not particularly true. For the majority of people, yeah. The only reason, bro, mine's so cheap, I make nothing from it, right? Dude, do you know how boring this shit is? This is like fucking bored. And after starting, I want to continue doing it because it's so satisfying helping people. The only reason I make it paid is because my time is worth, like I could be doing other shit, but I'm sitting in front of my computer anyway, bro, I might as well. But yeah, I do agree with that. It's the same as fib retracement areas. What are we talking about? I don't know. It really is all psychology. Not all of it, but a lot of it, yeah. Which app to use? MT4. I'm just joking, ICT is fraud. Here's Alex G. Oh my fucking God. No, it's not fraud. Which app to use for trading? MT4. Sean, thank you very much for following me. Taker44M, thank you very much for following me. I have a lot of indicators and triggers that fire off right inside the charts, which help with the 1 minute. Fair enough. Largo, thank you very much for following me. Maybe not fraud, but they're not his strategies. Yeah. No, not you in particular, but other people who make really expensive courses like $1,000. Yeah, dude, that's where they get all their money from. Literally, all. It's like so obvious. Bro, the amount of money that I've made from this shit is like virtually nothing, and I don't really care. Like, I don't really care. Because I actually make money doing this, so I literally don't give a shit. User 744, thank you very much for following me. But Christian, like you have and that's what I preach. I like tell people not to fucking buy courses and shit. GitHub, Daniel Neil Shark. I wrote an automatic trading system. Feel free to check it out. How about no? Wealth charts, all right. Yeah, I would not use this ever. Do you like work for them or some shit? I wouldn't use this. Yeah, I wouldn't use it. Yeah. Probably not. Sorry, mate. Gonna go hit arms and come back for New York. Peace out, bro. Enjoy. Fucking love Arm Day. Is it a good strat using gamble money to trade? What? Is it a good strat using gamble money to trade? I don't understand. Trade vacate, no switch to wealth charts. Trade evade. Fair enough. What up, Lucas? How are you? I just like how customizable. Fair enough. Can you write code? Yeah, but what are you trading? Forex. Can I see reviews of Photon trading. Okay. Chronicles, thank you very much for following me. Cooked. Yeah. This is the thing, right? I'm gonna give you guys a little insight. So I spoke to Blue Collar Colin, thank you for following me, and Retro Cam, thank you very much for following me. So I actually spoke to the owner of a prop firm and the owner of a brokerage, right? Oh shit, YouTube. What's the biggest mistake new traders make? Nate, probably listening to all the bullshit you see online and chasing profits instead of the actual process. I'd suggest that's a couple of things. I had a meeting with someone who owns a brokerage and a prop firm who tried to get me to promote all that shit. Good money. But I politely declined. Now, non-gender, sorry, she, I don't know, told me, which was fucking insane that they said this shit to me, that they all the prop firms and brokerages, they pay to leave negative reviews and they pay for positive reviews on Trustpilot. So none of the shit really matters. But if someone doesn't even have a single 5-star or a single anything else but a 1 or 2 star, which is what that other place had, and yeah, but Trustpilot still, I just fucking, it's all smoke and mirrors. It's all smoke and mirrors. Which is what I preach. When sort of like when this guy is coming in and being like fucking, you know, promote this shit. Here's money. It's like, nah, brother, not happening. Do you trade Bitcoin? No. AJ? Nah, it wasn't AJ. Like this? What? Do you have a course? I have a mentorship, yeah. Green candle, bro. What are you talking about? They, them. Yeah. We'll say that. What makes you stand out, big dog? Ask the people. I don't know. What makes me stand out? Do I stand out? I probably don't stand out because I'm not promoting like get rich quick shit. You know? And like I don't like try and hard sell my shit. What up, Migsy? How are ya? I hope T-Pool is real, but I think he makes a majority of his money from his mentorship. 100%. Isn't it like a couple grand? I believe that the platform is still being developed and new stuff. Yeah. Well, just let it get big, and maybe they'll either go out of business because they got to compete with fucking TradingView and MT4, or they'll blow up. Just finish work yourself. Got so busy. So fucking busy today. I spent like 3 hours today on the phone and fucking, oh man. Do I not have Discord up? Oh, I do. Why am I not getting notifications? Do you know Rob Hoffman? I do not. And Tinero Broit, thank you very much for following me. Appreciate that one. Yeah, fucking so busy. Holy shit, today's been nuts. I have not had a second to myself this entire day. besides the gym, but that's not really to myself. I didn't. You know the thing about the gym, right? Is I fucking hate going in the gym. I'm so over it. I've been over it for like a year. I just never want to go. Right, you gotta go. Rob Hoffman is the 33-time world trade champion, competition champion. Yeah, I don't watch that stuff. Popowitsme. Thank you very much for following. I appreciate that a lot. Why I'm seeing two different charts on my broker and trading view. What should I do? I'm seeing two different charts on my broker and trading view. I mean, they're never going to be the same. Like between each broker, obviously there's very similar exchanges, but they can slightly change price and everything between brokers. So I mean, I don't really know. I don't know. I got my first trade this morning on demo. Nice. Can't remember what currency. I'm just going home. Sweet, sweet. What could it have been? You're on 4 hour, right? I don't know. What had enough movement on 4 hour? Maybe this. Maybe CAD yen. Maybe some of the yens. Let's have a look. What do I need to do? Your period separators up. Okay, you potentially CAD yen. Potentially Swiss yen too. Euro yen. Could have been a yen pair if you got any yens open. I'd suggest it was a yen pair. Fuck. Do you know if you have yen pairs running? No, it's probably euro yen. Did you say this morning too? This morning. I mean, that would kind of make sense. Yeah, maybe euro yen. Unless it was last night. Last night, potentially. Oh, fuck. Not sure. On a scale of 1 to 10, how hard is it to pass a 50k funded? 10. Mentored my final. Oh, true. Oh, that's kind of cool. Good job. I'll just go, what pair? Bro, check US30. Alright. Aminu FX, thank you very much for following me. And Bruno Blockchain, thank you very much for following me too. Can I ask one last question? Yes. On a scale of 1 to 6. Yeah, probably 10. I don't know, how experienced are you? I'll get back to you. All sweet. So which funded is better than? I mean, they're all the same. They're all going to be the same. Doesn't matter what. But just funded accounts are extremely hard to pass. This is 4 hourly. I mean, it's pre-market, so we had a bit of a drop, but holding steady. We'll probably just wait for market open. What happened last night, actually? Do we have a sideways day? I know we popped. Holy fucking spread. Popped. Nasdaq do the same. Yep. And the S&P obviously did the same as well. True. Time frame you on, I was on fine. Masterclass video, how far along with the recording are you? I got like an hour of recording done. I was meant to do some last night, but I didn't. I was so fucking busy. I was talking to like 5 different people. And I just didn't get any recording done. After this, I'll do more. It's gonna be long as fuck though. Jared Brown 99, thank you very much for following me. Dot, who are you? Are you in the mentorship? I don't know who the fuck you are. I've asked you like 20 times. Who are you? I don't know who you are. Hey there. Jared and Darniel, thank you very much for following me. I just downloaded Weeble. What should I put my first $20 into? I don't know. Ethereum. Is it gold? No, I don't trade gold. Let's get rid of the... That was the S&P 500, but I don't trade the S&P 500. Why am I yawning? Disgusting. Beginner's advice. Don't listen to all the bullshit you see online. Be very careful about who you learn from. Focus on process, not profits, and demo trade until you're confident and consistent. Don't put any of your money in. Even though it's tempting, don't do it. Sell gold now. Don't trade gold. 3372. Prob's not a. Thank. All good. No stress. Enjoy my Discord. Discord's linked in my bio. Come and chat to me. $38 fucking thousand likes. Let's go. Oh, do I do this co-host shit? We're waiting for sell or buy. On what? Neither. I'm not. I mean, either or. It doesn't matter. What's your strategy? Dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, martingale. NQ front month is starting to roll over. High volume on September. That messed me up yesterday. High volume on September? I somewhat disagree. Oh, maybe on NQ. I don't know. But summer trading's usually slow as fuck. You're a day trader if it's being done at night. Haha. Sell? Sell what? Do I do this shit? Do I do this live match and this co-host shit? Do you guys have my back for this? Because I gotta win it and I don't want to do it. So if I do it and I don't win, I'm gonna be pissed off. Like, I've got to do it. Do I do it? Who do we choose? You got me. Fuck. Fuck. You're saying you do it? I don't want to do it, but TikTok requires me to do it. Nita, thank you very much for following me. Like, I honestly hate doing these things. We're just gonna mute them and just chill. And you shouldn't have to... Rose, thank you very much for following me. You shouldn't have to send gifts or anything. It should just be you just liking or whatever. And we should win. Australia's most talented young musician. This guy's got 75 people in there. What have we got? 64. Fuck. I have to do a battle according to TikTok. Use co-host for 5 minutes and win one live match. This guy. Do we do it? We're doing it. But, yeah. Alright, there we go. Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright, he's muted. Just... Nah, you haven't missed it. I'll be doing this for like a couple minutes and then we're gonna burst. So, yeah, you guys... I don't know. I actually don't really know how this works. I think you guys just like it. This is like my 3rd or 4th one ever. So... I think you guys just like the screen and it gives us more points and then we win. So, yeah. I don't know. Just fucking, you guys just do it. Just do it. Just like, I don't know. Thank you for, I gotta win this because I don't want to fucking do this ever again. What are we doing? Did I miss a trade? No, I'll be trading in a second. Lucas, what's good? Hey, I like trading. I like it too, and learning. I also like learning. I'm literally starting just now. I have a 7-day schedule set up to get started. Sweet. Well, jump in the lives every day and ask questions, learn. I got a Discord, free Discord. I have a mentorship. I don't know if you're at that point, but join the free Discord and you can ask me questions anyway. I have to get my ID verified, then starting as soon as they verify. Oh, is that for your broker? What broker did you choose? Tom, when I turn 18, I'm joining your mentorship, by the way. Like, no joke. That's cool, bro. No stress. I'm excited, but I'm excited. 2 times gifting points for reaching the target. Weeble. Fair enough, yeah. I'm 18, July 5th, so not long. Look forward to it, brother. J-Boy Boss, thank you very much for following me. Guys, we're fucking losing. Or Fidelity. Where are you from, Nita? I think more people need to like. Is that how it works? Yeah, he's got more likers. So you guys need to like. More of you need to like. The fuck? Wait, what's this? 1 quarter? What is this? Guys, we're losing. I don't want to do this ever again. Michelle, thank you for the rose. Oh my fucking God. I'm gonna have to do another one. Fuck. It's probably all this guy does, right? He definitely just sits here doing battles. I fucking hate battles! Gifts count towards points. Each coin is 1 point. Yeah, but I don't want you guys to send me gifts. Like, he's obviously been given like a fucking galaxy or some shit. I just need this because fucking TikTok tells me I have to use co-host for 5 minutes and win 1 live match. So that's why we're doing this shit. Otherwise I don't do it. I hate these things. Oh, fuck. We should do this shit again. Good job, brother. Good job. That was unlucky for us. He got like a 2,000 coin fucking thing. It's annoying. Lol, TikTok will never leave you alone. Yeah, I know. It's a whole business model for them. Yeah, I know. I don't like getting gifts from people in the first place. Like, I appreciate it, but I don't know. I don't feel the need that you guys have to fucking send gifts and stuff. Michelle, thank you very much for the rose for that, but damn, bless you. Yeah, Jesus. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. Oh, do I do it again? I need help to entry buy. Popo with me. I don't trade gold. Oh wait, we're on gold right now. I don't trade gold. And buying, I mean, I probably wouldn't particularly look at buys right now. So, yeah. Sorry we couldn't help you win, man. I thought it was likes too. I sent like 600. No, it's the amount of people liking. So, if I get like 20 people to like it, then I get 60 points. But yeah, obviously the gifts and everything give you points. You know what I'm going to do? Fuck it. I'm doing it again. I don't care. I'm just going to pick someone with like 1 viewer. Guy Webster. Fuck it. You can get it. You can get it. Okay, we got one guy.
Hello.
Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. We're doing it again. Just the amount. Yeah, I fucking hate this shit. Bro, just let me win. It's just for TikTok. I don't do battles. Just let me win.
What are you doing?
I have to. TikTok saying that I've got to win 1 live match. I don't battle.
Why have you got to win?
Because TikTok's telling me I've got to win 1 live match.
How's TikTok telling you that?
Can you see it?
No, I'd need glasses and a magnifying glass for that. Lindsay, thank you for the 50 hearts.
Well, it tells me
What
that I
are you
got to.
trading?
Hey?
What are you trading?
Farming equipment.
You're trading farming equipment.
Yeah, like the old days.
No, you're not.
Nah, it's Forex currencies.
Ah, nice. Lindsay, thank you for the roses. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you look really cute, man. If you ever want to come to Australia,
Triples, what can we do?
come hang out.
Let's see what we can do. I've been to Australia.
You should come again and stay at mine.
I'm good, Disney. How are you? What's going on here?
You want to come to Australia?
What's going on? Yeah.
Well?
Oh, no, this is ridiculous. What is going on? It's another one of the, it's like that bloke Max, isn't it?
Oh wait, no, I fucked that up.
Oh, thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. It's triples.
This is what I want to do to you.
No, you're hanging me. What's up with you? Disney, thank you for the heart, mate. Don't find it weird that you've got all these people watching you do that?
Who wouldn't want to watch me do this?
Most people. Disney, thank you for the level up. Thank you.
Well? Well?
Tommy, welcome. Tommy, thank you for being in the live again. I appreciate it.
Has anyone told you how good looking you are? I just need to get the rest of my drink out.
Andy, thank you for the butterfly. I appreciate it. Tommy, I'm very, very good. We've just come on live with a bit of a strange person. He does need to lose. Thank you for the rose. Happy, I appreciate it.
I need to lose. Can someone... Okay, someone needs to hook me up here. Like, come on. I will never ask you guys for gifts, but send me a fucking... I'll send it back to you. I don't care.
Okay. Welcome.
Like the old days. What's up, dude? What up, Sticky? Come on. Get me... This is fucking ridiculous. You're awesome. Thank you. Oh, there's no way we win this. Fuck! I'm gonna have to do this shit again.
Oh, Funky, thank you for the roses.
God damn it.
Right. Look, Bren, welcome. Come on.
I'm never doing a battle ever again. I don't care. TikTok can complain.
Olympian, welcome back. Sorry, Annie. The battle was really well. We won. We've got our team is great. We've got a great team.
Yeah, team. Woo! My team, bro, we got 31.
Yeah. Right. Thank you, Disney. Thank you, Sandy. Thank you, Olympian. Happy. Thank you, Bruno, Tommy, Zara,
Daddy, I'll see you next time, okay, Daddy? That guy was like, what the fuck? Alright, no one hooked me up there. I'm never doing that again. Ever. Literally never again. I don't care. I'm never doing that. What a waste of fucking time. Sticky, thanks for the you're awesome bar. I appreciate that. How trade Forex gold, bro? I don't trade gold. Sup, dude? What up, Sticky? Stop it. No, bro. What? Guy Webster is such a fair king. I'm being blinded by double fairness. He was like more pale than me. And Tom, I don't know what. Thank you very much for following me. Why have I came back to Tom is spazzing out? Because I got to do this TikTok shit where they want me to fucking do the battles and shit. And I hate doing them. Fair is enjoying his pink monster. Yeah. Nikita, thank you very much for following me. Do another crazy. Did he say who would want to watch you trade? I think he was saying who would want to watch me act like a complete weirdo, but yeah. So it was Euro Yen? Yeah, okay, I thought so. Sorry, just got home, couldn't help out. Nah, it's all good. Don't worry about it. It's all good. Yeah. That's a pretty good trade. H4 M15, that's good. That's a pretty good entry. Depending on where your TP is, I'd be targeting either that high, this low, which correlates with that high. It depends on, we got some news this week. Where the fuck were you 3 seconds ago? Sticky with the fucking galaxy. What the fuck? Sticky with the fucking galaxy. Holy shit. Dude, what the fuck? You just joined as the battle ended? Fuck! Oh, that would have been so satisfying to beat that guy too. Fuck! That's right, bro. Thank you so much for that. Oh, you did say do another. I just recharged. I only just joined. Fuck. Oh, do I do another? Nah, you send the galaxy. I'm not doing that. How many coins make it scream? 100. I made it 100. It was 1 originally, and my ears were fucked. I literally couldn't hear out of my right ear. The Fair King finished his pink monster. Get your head out of the gutter. Is this gold? No. This is Euro Yen. My TP is hung up in the restroom. What's with all loud noises? It's for fun. Oh, dude, that's so depressing. I already recharged again to another. Any positions open? Yeah, I got multiple, Bryce. Fuck. All right, you better. Oh, dude, I feel so bad. All right. I'm gonna do it. I feel bad, but I'm gonna do it. Do we do someone fun? And do we? Oh God, you scared the shit out of me. Ligarettes. Oh, dude, you make me crave. Thank you very much for following me. Put it all in NVIDIA? Yeah, all right, I will. We're gonna do someone fun. We're gonna do another guy. Ginger? How many followers does this guy have? Nah, we need someone with a couple viewers who's Australian or British or something, speaks English. Brock. Gold Coast, yes. 39 people. Let's do it. Tell me we got him. Fuck! I'll invite you again. I don't care. What are you going to do? Live streamer, YouTuber, showcase. Oh, this guy's going to be so weirded out. Please. Fuck! Joel the Pole, posting videos that I wouldn't post on my main account. I don't care. Joel the Pole the second. Weird. Just trade Forex and indices. I just trade crypto. Yeah. Yep. I'm not trading indices at the moment though. Oh, we got one.
How's it going?
Oh, good. How are you?
I'm alright, bro. How's it going, man?
Good. We got this battle to do, eh?
You want it?
Yeah. I just need this for TikTok.
You just need this. Where you from?
I'm from Australia. Where are you from?
Melbourne. I'm from Australia, Melbourne.
Nice.
You sound like Will, you know, the TikTok guy, Will, you know?
Yep, I get that all the time. Literally, I go out and people take photos of me because they're like, oh my god, you look like Will Gibb.
You do look like Will Gibb.
Fuck!
Wait, is that actually... No, it's not. I don't... Yeah,
What?
you do look... Nice. No, his TikToks are funny, bro.
Yeah.
What the fuck? I love your energy, bro.
I love you. I love you.
I love you, mate.
Bird chop! With Go Popular, Tiny Diny, Tofu, Heart Me, and Roast. Thank you very much. That was really kind of you.
Do you like my posters?
Oh, that's actually kind of cool. That's smart.
I know. And this is my gift board.
That's smart. I like that.
Do you know
I
who
like
this
that a
guy
lot.
is?
No.
No? Oh, okay, good.
Do you know who he is?
Yeah, Ed Stevenson, mate.
Oh,
Ed Stevenson.
Yep.
He is the goat.
Do you like weather?
I do like weather. Do you like sun?
Skin doesn't.
No? No skin?
Orange hair. Skin hurt. Sun.
Ah, yes, it does hurt sun.
Meow.
So do you like grass? What the fuck? This guy's good. You from where from? Like whereabouts in Australia are you from?
Melbourne.
LMAO. I'm from the same, bro. I'm the same.
Where are you from again?
Melbourne.
Thanks
No, I'm from Brisbane.
For sending the GG gift.
Oh, Brisbane.
Yeah, I just said that.
Nice.
Do it
I just said I'm from Brisbane. I think you're hearing things. Are you okay?
I think I am your Vince.
Thanks to Airplane Departure
mind
for
the-
sending the TikTok gift.
Don't mind the TTS.
That's right. I got it too, but it screams at like a million fucking decibels in my ear, and I'm going deaf in my right ear. It will.
How old are you, mate?
Thanks to Airplane Departure for sending the rose gift.
I'm 17. How old are you?
Oh, damn.
Tom.
Oh, no.
What is that? Holy shit. Sticky with a mini star? Mate, look at all my gifts!
Right, that's loud. That's so loud. This guy, bro. Bro, that's so loud. Don't, my TTS.
Hey, so I know that you're in Melbourne, but if you ever wanted to come to Brisbane and come stay with me, I got a 1 bedroom with a big bed.
Yeah, I was seeing with that one. I can see what he's trying to do, right? I do the same shit, man. Wait, give me a good smile.
Look, he locked his phone. He locked his phone. We got this. We got this. He locked his phone. Did you lock your phone?
Have fun with this one.
Oh.
Wait, this way. Look at that guy. Oh. I was with his chat with him.
He's not winning this. Look at this shit. Look at my fucking supporters. We got Sticky with a heart me, Birchop, Rose, Michelle, Roses, Sticky, Rose, Michelle, Perfume, Sticky, Mini Star, Birchop, 3 fucking roses, a heart puff, Tofu, Birchop, 7 roses, Michelle, Perfume, and Sticky with another fucking star! Holy shit! Why did my screaming go away and now it's back? A money gun? Bro. It's right, no more gifts, no more gifts, no more gifts. Holy fuck! My ears! Stop. Stop. He rage quit. He did. Bro, I need to thank you guys for that. Because I honestly hate doing them. I honestly fucking hate doing them. Sticky with the Galaxy earlier. That's fucking insane. Birchop, Go Popular, Tiny, Tofu, Heart Me from Sticky. Birchop with a rose and then 5 more roses. Michelle with 2 roses. Sticky with another rose. Michelle with a fucking perfume. Trying to make me look and smell all fucking pretty. Sticky with a mini star. Birchop with 3 roses. Birchop with a fucking heart puff. And Tofu again. Birchop with 7 more roses. Michelle Clark with another perfume. Sticky with 4 mini stars and a fucking money gun. Sticky, I don't want to see you donating ever again. Because that is too much. Thank you so much. Yeah, dude. Done. Literally, yeah. GG, that's me for the night, lol. I'm not feeding TikTok's wallet. Yeah. Dude, thank you so much. You guys pulled through and got me to hopefully never have this ever again because I hate doing that shit. But that guy was like creeped out. He was like, what the fuck? That's funny. Bryce. No, that's a different guy. Any positions open? I don't know. Are you still in here, Bryce? And how's the crypto going? Do I wait for the last second or just dump when the battle starts? Oh, sorry, bro. I didn't even see that. I was too busy looking at him and making him feel extremely uncomfortable. You can't trade peasants. You lack divine timing and holy risk management. Not a trader, a chosen one. The market answers to me. Okay. Morning, gentlemen. What's going on? Is this like a real account or a fake account? Looks legit. Thank you for following me too. MGMT Finance Trading TTS. I appreciate that. I got a message from someone impersonating you last night. Yeah, sorry about that. Please just report what you can because I just don't want people to get scammed. Leo, thank you for sharing. Turn the screen back on. It was on. I don't know what happened. That's really annoying. Bro, thank you so much for all those fucking gifts. And everyone, thank you so much for all those gifts. I really appreciate it. Just cooked. Yeah, that was kind of fucked. Okay, now open a put on NVIDIA times 500. I might, yeah. What's your strategy? It's like dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale. It's a hybrid martingale strategy with mean reversion. Are you looking for the strategy? Oh, get out of here. Yeah, get the fuck out. Guys, it's been a good one. All right, so what do we get? So the whole reason for that was so that we could get flares, which, oh, boys and girls, we were, at the start, we didn't have a single flare. We were at 20. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 flares. I cannot thank you guys enough for that. And Sticky really pulled through. I appreciate that. I don't want to see you gifting ever again. Daily views 5 days a week. Okay. 10k minutes of views. Thank you guys so much though. It's fucking insane. How much have you earned today? I've done 0.5% today. I can't see that. It's not showing up. Sticky. Oh, it's been a good stream. That took it out of me, but fucking hell. Exhausting. Danny flipping deals. Thank you very much for following me. Is there anything else that anyone wants to talk about before I head off? We've been on for a bit over 2 hours. And I got some recording to do for the mentorship, which I'm excited for. Yeah, Sienna, probably. You should be fucking asleep. What are you doing? I've been live for, I usually aim for 2 hours, but we got a bit more. Blackwall called me because I fucked up the verification, but I think my account's open now. Fuck yeah. That's right, you messaged me about that, didn't you? You're simp, right? I literally have had like 50 messages today. Yep. How did I not get to your message? I must have read that when I was half asleep and woke up and then just not gotten back to you, sorry. Oh well, you get it live. You gotta talk to me live. I read a lot of news, that's pretty much my strategy, which is a good thing. I'm like quick to putting in when something gains buy incentive, yep, and I never short. Why do you never short? Shorting is good too. But I want to learn more about algorithmic trading like you. Good. Algo's good. One thing that I saw was the losses. They scared me. The fact that you can lose that much. But it's working. It just looks like an extremely high risk strategy. Like, what if you didn't get that 102? No thanks, thank you very much. You popped up on my feed. Nice, awesome. My TP for this trade, not sure if it's right. Can you send it to me, please? If possible. Shh, you're not supposed to know that. Yeah, my name. See you next time, Fair King. See you later. Thank you. I'm about to jump off. Just give me a couple of minutes. Hello, too scared to short because I mainly trade blue. Okay, fair enough, yeah. And have like 2 big losses, and the first was because I didn't know what I was doing. The second was the tariffs. Oh, right, okay, yep. Win rate, I don't know, my win rate changes all the time. I'll send a photo, just want to make sure I've done it. Yeah, if you can also, Meegsy, this is just for, so I can reference back, is to send your settings. So, this is fucking... what the fuck am I doing? So when you go into the properties, in the inputs, so when you go into your expert advisor, just show me, this is just a random default fucking EA from MT4, but it'll have all your settings. Can you just screenshot and send me all of them so I can have a look at them and make sure everything's all good? And then we'll go from there. And the TP as well. Please and thank you. Just to make sure everything's set up nice and correct. See you later, Sienna. When tariffs hit, I kept buying in, trying to get the lowest, but it was too aggressive. Fair enough. 2-trade system, win rate is about 30%, but with limiting losses, gains are amazing. Thoughts? 2-trade system. Win rate is about 30%, but with limiting losses, gains are amazing. Thoughts? Well, it depends. Like, sometimes I have a lower win rate, but the losses are far outweighed. I mean, the wins are far outweighed by the... No. The losses are far outweighed by the winners. Fuck, sorry, I've been fucking yapping for so long. My brain's kind of starting to get a bit frizzled. So the way that I trade is I will scale into positions, right? So let's just say, you know, I get 1, 2, 3 positions, and my break-even level's here because I'm doing a hybrid martingale of scaling in at 1.3x each time I scale in, and then that's my break-even, and then, you know, I decide to take profit here. These two are technically losses, but this one's a winner. So that's going to be a 33% fucking win rate. But I've still made money. So, like, that's fine. Win rate isn't everything. Will do. Cool. Meme coins are better. Okay, buddy. You can sit out for the rest of the night. Noah, thank you very much for following. But yeah, Scott, it really just depends on the strategy. And yeah, but it sounds alright. Sounds fine. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get the fuck out of here. Trader E, thank you for liking. If you're not following, follow. Your thoughts on currencies are random? No, I don't believe that. It's all driven by macro. Prediction for NASDAQ? No fucking clue. I gotta go. Hello, goodbye. What up, Charles? See you later. See you, dude. Have a good night. Bro, Sticky, thank you so much for sending all of that. And, like, I seriously appreciate it. I don't want to see another fucking gift. I don't want to see another one. Hi, guys. What do you trade? I just earned... Okay, buddy. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. I'll be in Discord. If you're not in Discord's linked to my bio. It's free. Come jump in. Mentorship also in there if you're fucking interested in that sort of thing. Get the fuck in. Come learn some shit. Come make some money. Alright, have a wonderful night, and I'll be back tomorrow, 6:45 PM Australian Eastern Standard Time. To Qual. Top Qual. Thank you for following me. And yeah, take it easy, guys. Have a good night.